Hello everyone, it's 𝐕𝐀𝐂𝐊 here, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make a new rainbow loom bracelet. So for today's piece we will be using 3 shades of blue. So we are going to be needing this shade of blue. I don't remember exactly where this shade came from. I forgot which brand, but we will be needing these bands. These are not from Rainbow Loom. We will be using Rainbow Loom's Glow Electric Blue, and we will be using Rainbow Loom's Navy Blue. So for this piece, you will be needing 2 looms. Make sure your looms are set up in this configuration. So the first thing that we are going to do is lay down our border bands. So after putting down your border bands, the next thing we are going to do is put some bands down in the center. So after putting on these X bands in the center, the last thing we need to do is put a single chain down the center. Okay, so the very first thing we are going to do is loop our single chain in the center. So after when you're done looping your center chain, now what we need to do is loop our X bands. So you're going to go inside this cap band, pick up this band, pull it to the side, and then we're going to go in here and pull this up. Make sure you go through all these bands and pick up this band. So you are going to do the same thing all the way to the top. Okay, so the last thing we are going to do is loop our border bands. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to grab our band, pull it up, and then what you want to do is go underneath, grab it, and pull it over. And then you're going to do the same thing here. Okay, so after looping your border bands, what you're going to do is go through all these rubber bands, pull 2 blue bands through, and then grab your C-clip and clip your bands. And then take some time to take your piece off the loom. So after taking your piece off the loom, your piece should look something like this. Okay, so now what we are going to do next, we are going to do some side stitching, and we are going to be using our navy blue bands for the side stitching color. So as you can see on the sides here, there are some bands going this way. So we are going to be stitching those. So what you want to do is go inside your first band and take your navy blue band and hook that through, and you're going to go into your next band And then when you get to the very top up here, what you're going to do is go inside at this very top band up here and hook that through. And what we're going to do is grab this, unclip one side, and then what you're going to do is hook this, take these bands and pull them through, and then clip this back on. Now, as you can see, one side has been stitched. Now we need to do the other side. So after looping both sides, your bracelet should look something like this. Okay, so the very last thing we are going to do is make our tiny extension. If you don't need a extension, then you probably wouldn't have to do this part. Okay, so what you want to do is grab 2 bands, pull these through, and then grab your C-clip and clip your bands, and then we're going to turn this around. So you can wear it this way, or you can wear it this way. Okay everyone, that is all for today's video. Please let me know what you think of this piece. Thanks for watching.